Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete chat on PolyBuzz AI account. Alright, the first thing I'd like you to do is to open the PolyBuzz app, which I have done, and log into your account. So once you're done, the next thing is to tap on the chat icon, usually represented by a speech bubble, at the bottom of your screen. So click on it to view your conversation list. I don't have any conversation going on, but you're going to find the conversations here. Locate the specific chat conversation that you want to delete. Then scroll carefully through your chat list to find the correct one. What you're going to do once you find it is to long press, so tap and hold on the chat entry. Alternatively, you can try swiping left or right, or tap the three dots menu if visible. So when the contextual menu appears, go ahead and tap delete, sometimes labeled with a trash can icon. And once you do that, a confirmation prompt to appear warning that deletion is irreversible. So go ahead and tap confirm or delete to finalize. The chat should immediately disappear from your list. Verify that it's gone to ensure deletion succeeded. So here are a couple of real user insights and limitations. No bulk delete option. As per Reddit reports, you must delete chats individually. There's no way to clear all at once. So hiding versus deleting. Some users also report seeing a hide or archive option, which only removes the chat from view but doesn't permanently delete it. And sometimes deletion fails. All right. And if you're in a situation where deleting didn't stop bots from sending, okay, if you're in a position where deleting didn't stop bots from sending you fast messages, even after hiding the chat, then it may require additional steps such as disabling reminder notifications from settings. And that's how it works. And if you still see unexpected messages after deletion, disable character reminder messages via the hexagonal settings icon in your profile settings. And for persistent issues like chats won't delete or bots that keep messaging, reach out to PolyBuzz support through the app or via email at support@domain or web support links. So go visit her from the top to the bottom too. Get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.